How to disable access to the control center when the iPhone is locked. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can disable access to the control center when the iPhone is locked. The iPhone is considered one of the most secure phones on the market. Apple's policy, which is very rigorous, has led them to receive the epithet of the most secure. However, by default, most things are slightly protected and you have to take additional steps to make your phone more secure. One of the things you can do is to prevent the control center and notification center from opening when your phone is locked. To do this, we will first open the settings on our phone. After that, we will find the Touch ID or Face ID and Passcode section and tap on it. Access to this option will ask us to enter a passcode. When we have done that in the new menu, we will scroll through the options until we find the control center and notification center options and turn them off by pressing the switch. In this way, we disabled access to these centers, which are very vulnerable parts of our phones. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.